Uite tu. Ați mers echivalentul seama? Seama. Seama?
Yo, Doc, what up, my nigga? Gangsta. Yes, this is what it is, man.
Zone. DMX. Rough Riders. Come on. Here we go.
Tone it down.
Yeah.
Top dog, bite them all, yeah, I'm burning it up. DPGC, you should be turning it up. CBT, LBC, yeah, we hooking back up. And when they bang this in the club, baby, you got to get up. Cause homies, thug homies, yeah, they giving it up. Low lot, yo lot, boy, we living it up. Taking chances while we dancing in the party for show. Slip my girl a 44 when she crept in the back door. Chickens looking at me strange, but you know I don't care. Step up in this mother, just a swing in my hair. Trip, quit talking, crip walk if you down with the sick. Take a bullet with some grip and take the smoke on this jam. Out of town, put it down for the father of rap. And if you happen to get cracked, trick, shut your trap. Come back, get back, that's the part of success. If you believe in the S, you'll be relieving your stress.
Do your thing, man. Fuck what they looking at. Do your thing, man. Fuck what they looking at.
It's the one and only D.R.E. Dr. Dre, Lil Buff.
Mirror, mirror on the wall. Who is the flyest one of all?
Come back, get back, that's the part of success. If you believe in the S, you'll be relieving your stress.
Lord, give me a sign. I really need to talk to you, Lord. Since the last time we talked, the walk has been hard. Now I know you haven't left me, but I feel like I'm alone. I'm a big boy now, but I'm still not grown. And I'm still going through it. Pain and the hurt, soaking up trouble like rain in the dirt. And I know only I can stop the rain with just a mention of my Savior's name. In the name of Jesus, devil, I rebuke you for what I go through and trying to make me do what I used to. But all that stops right here. As long as the Lord's in my life, I will have no fear. I will know no pain from the light to the dark. I will show no shame, spit it right from the heart. Cause it's right from the start. You held me down and they, nothing they can tell me now. Lord, give me a sign. Do your thing, man. Fuck what they looking at. Do your thing, man. Fuck what they looking at.
It's the one and only D.R.E. Dr. Dre, Lil Buff.
Mirror, mirror on the wall. Who is the flyest one of all?
Come back, get back, that's the part of success. If you believe in the S, you'll be relieving your stress.
When they see me coming at them, hills and hits, they wanna grab them, lips and eyes staring at them, mesmerized. Got a habit, wanting, I become a habit, needed. Always once you had it, never lucky enough to grab it, guaranteed becoming an addict. Yeah, the type of chick that like them big trips, big jets, mega yachts, yeah, big ships. Wanna get all my affection, here's a big tip. I need to see that you a ball shit. No, they can never catch her. Me, I'm the chick that keep them under pressure. And every nigga smell her, want sex her. They say they won't protect her, but really they just want kiss and caress her. Now sit your ass down, cause class is now in session. They're like, man, I ain't playing with you people. You know my style already, swoopy and she thinks she lethal. I ain't even got no patience for your bullshit, I can see through. I get bored real easy, sorry, I must leave you. Got them singing like,
do your thing, man. Fuck what they looking at. Do your thing, man. Fuck what they looking at.
It's the one and only D.R.E. Dr. Dre, Lil Buff.
Mirror, mirror on the wall. Who is the flyest one of all?
Come back, get back, that's the part of success. If you believe in the S, you'll be relieving your stress.
Killing streets of CPT. King of the beach, you ride to him in your fleet. Hood, Coupe de Ville, rolling on dubs. How you feel? Whoop-de-whoop, what? Trey and Snoop hitting colors in the lag. With Doc in the back, sipping on yak. Clipping all the amps, dipping through hoods. Compton, Long Beach, Inglewood. South Central out to the west side. It's California love, it's California bug. Got your boy a gang of pub. I'm on one, I might bell up in the Century Club. With my jeans on, and my team strong. Get my drink on, and my smoke on. Then go home with something to poke on. Locust song for the 2 triple O. Coming real, it's the next episode.
Do your thing, man. Fuck what they looking at. Do your thing, man. Fuck what they looking at.
It's the one and only D.R.E. Dr. Dre, Lil Buff.
Mirror, mirror on the wall. Who is the flyest one of all?
Come back, get back, that's the part of success. If you believe in the S, you'll be relieving your stress.
I'm in that hot thing, gutter lane, dipping with that wood grain. So fucking good, man. They call me the boogie man. In that slow lane, what is your whole name? I forgot
got this whole name. I'll call her Lois Lane. Up on that boulevard, 24s rotate. Ice Cube coming through, got to make the hoes wait. Roll at my own pace, nigga don't hate. Fuck all you fat fuckers leaning up against my paint. Just face it, put me to the test. Ice Cube and ace it, I'm built for success. Fuck a rock star, we wanna party like a rap star. In the club, in the house, or the backyard. You make it rain with ones, I make it rain with huns. And we get lap dance from nuns. They put away they crucifix and they say, Ice Cube, boy, you the shit. Do your thing, man, fuck what they looking at. Do your thing, man, fuck what they looking at.
It's the one and only D.R.E. Dr. Dre, Lil Buster.
Mirror, mirror, on the wall, who is the flyest one of all?
Come back, get back, that's the part of success. If you believe in the S, you'll be relieving your stress.
This is dogs for life, something you don't know about. No pot to piss in, no window to throw it out. You know what we do to bitch ass niggas, we hoe 'em out. You ain't gotta worry about the score, we gon' blow 'em out. Earl, David, Jason, gotta be shown. Got to keep on keeping up, I gotta get on. In the hood right now, the economy strong. These my niggas that I'm talking about, follow the song. Yeah, everybody wanna be down, they playing spades. To me, all y'all niggas is clowns playing charades. You hit a couple chicks in the town playing with AIDS. It's hot over there, my nigga playing the shade. You see, we playing with gauge, y'all playing with blades. One of these niggas, we all playing with K's. One of these niggas, I come with fucking the shades. Exactly how many times do I have to say?
That's my dog, yeah. 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 Give me a sign. Let me know what's on your mind. Let me know what I'm gon' find. It's all in time. Show me how to teach the mind. Show me how to reach the blind. Lord, give me a sign.
Went from entertainment to enterprise. Killer rock, kill a generation like Ben at 5. I've been at 5, it's been a sticker, you've been advised. And red dot market, the target has been identified. We've been outside, game already been gentrified. Simplified, I'm ready for dot, like I've been simplified. Energy, I'm energized. If I ain't energized, I improvise and start taking shots like I ain't been immunized.
All these niggas been my dogs since the low life days. Every bar that I say should've probably glow like AIDS. You don't wanna harm me, you should let me go my way. I'm like Doughboy, you gon' wanna roll like Trey. All my niggas know the ticket on the whole like price. Every bar that I say sorta like Klondike. Yeah, that's cool, motherfucker, get a whole motherfucker. That's my dog, if he asks, I take his soul, motherfucker.
That's my dog, yeah. 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 That's my dog, yeah.
It's the one and only D.R.E. Dr. Dre, Lil Buster.
Get back, that's the part of success. If you believe in the S, you'll be relieving your stress.
That's my dog, yeah. 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 That's my dog.